Hey, what's up, tech fans? Today we're diving deep into the future with Samsung's next big thing, the Galaxy S25 Ultra. It's early, but trust me, there's already plenty to get excited about, and we're here to break it all down for you. Stick around because we're covering all the latest rumors, leaks, and some insane features that could make this the best Samsung phone ever. Let's get into it. Alright, so you might not be thinking about the Galaxy S25 Ultra right now, but guess what Samsung definitely is? Even though the Galaxy S24 just dropped, Samsung is already hard at work on its next big flagship. And the rumors are coming in hot. We're hearing some juicy details that make this phone sound like it's going to completely shake up the smartphone world, and who wouldn't want that? Now, let's talk about when we might actually see the Galaxy S25 Ultra hit the shelves. Samsung's been pushing up its release dates lately, and this year's Galaxy S24 arrived in mid-January, the earliest ever, so we're expecting Samsung to stick with that January timeline for the S25. Probably just after CES 2025. Who's hyped for a mid-January Unpacked event? Let me know in the comments. As for pricing, well, we saw the S24 Ultra jump to $1,299, and with premium phones getting pricier by the year, we wouldn't be shocked if the S25 Ultra follows that trend. Some analysts are even saying that the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip could hike the price even more. But we'll have to wait and see. Fingers crossed they keep it reasonable. Moving on to design. We're expecting the Galaxy S25 Ultra to keep that titanium frame Samsung introduced with the S24 Ultra. And honestly, why change something that looks and feels so premium? We've also got some whispers about a bigger 6.9-inch display. But only time will tell if Samsung goes that big. And of course, we expect Samsung to bump up the brightness. It hit 2,600 nits with the S24 Ultra. So can we hit 3,000 nits with the S25 Ultra? I wouldn't be surprised. Now, the part you've all been waiting for, the cameras. The S25 Ultra could be a game changer. We're hearing that Samsung might be upgrading the ultra-wide camera to a massive 50-megapixel sensor, which is a huge leap from the S24's 12-megapixel. Not only that, but we could see both telephoto lenses getting 50-megapixel sensors as well, which would be crazy for zoom capabilities. And how about variable zoom for smoother transitions? Yeah, we're talking serious pro-level videography here. Let's talk performance. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is almost certainly going to run on Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, which, if rumors are to be believed, could blow the competition away. Early benchmarks show multi-core scores that rival Apple's A18 Bionic. So we're looking at a true powerhouse here. Plus, with potentially faster UFS 4.1 storage and up to 16 gigabits of RAM, this thing is going to fly through multitasking and AI-driven features. Battery-wise, we're expecting the same 5000 mAh cell as the S24 Ultra, but with the new, more efficient chipset, we could be seeing even longer battery life. And while the 45W fast charging speed might stick around, don't count Samsung out just yet. They could surprise us with faster charging tech. AI features are going to play a big role in this phone, just like with the S24 lineup, but the S25 Ultra might kick it up a notch. We're talking Bixby with generative AI capabilities, allowing for more natural, smarter interactions. And hey, don't be surprised if Samsung finally catches up to Apple with satellite connectivity. It's been long overdue, and we might see it with this release. So, there you have it, everything we know so far about the Galaxy S25 Ultra. From camera upgrades to next-gen performance. It's shaping up to be one of the most exciting phones to look forward to in 2025. Let me know in the comments what feature you're most excited about, and if you think the S25 Ultra can take on the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, hit that thumbs up button, and don't forget to subscribe for all the latest Galaxy S25 Ultra news, leaks and reviews. I'll catch you in the next one.